What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com. So let's jump right on in and showing you how to put the footrest kit onto the John Deere Z5 mowers. So first thing that we're going to do is pull off our foot platform here. And then as you can see in the foot platform right up here at the top, we're going to have a set of holes. One here, and then same thing over here on the other side. And this is where our foot pegs are going to mount. So these are going to look like this right here. So very simply, you're just going to have two bolts that slide in to the ends here and go through your foot platform and then are secured on the back with a locking nut. And that is all going to take this 13mm ratchet and socket here. We'll go ahead and break out two of those bolts, and I'm going to go ahead and slide these down in the holes here on the foot peg. And what's nice about this is that they are slotted here on the side, so they're going to hold that bolt into place whenever we're putting this on. We'll go ahead and grab two of our lock nuts here, and then we'll go ahead and get this started into place here. Then all you have to do is reach on the back side, find that bolt, and go ahead and start that nut on. So now I'll go ahead and flip this around so you can see right there is where that bolt is going to come through. And we'll go ahead and get this one started. Just like so. And now all that's left to do is to go ahead and get this tightened up. Then we'll go ahead and get our second one ready. All right, get both of those started right there. And then once again, just tighten those up. Now, nice thing is once you have those on, not only do you have footrests, but you also have handles here to put that back onto the machine. Makes it easier for taking your foot platform on and off. So we'll go ahead and put that back on. Just like so. So now whenever you are operating your machine, you now have these nice foot pegs here on top. This may seem like a very small, insignificant feature, but it does add to the comfort of this mower. Being able to just have those extra places to put your feet. We all know that whenever we're riding in our vehicles, we're always moving our feet around, especially when we have that cruise control set and we're driving down the road. Same thing here, just gives you another spot to put those feet and accept it as those handles for taking that foot platform on and off. So guys, if you feel like that this is something that you need for your mower, this is going to be part number BUC10332, and you can get that along with all of your other parts at 247parts.com. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to go to 247parts to get those parts ordered for your John Deere machines. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.